In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage the ribbon in Microsoft Word. Navigating the ribbon is fundamental to using Microsoft Word efficiently, and understanding how to manage it can save you time and streamline your workflow. So let's dive in. First, let's start by opening a Microsoft Word file. This could be any document you're currently working on. Open up Word and either create a new document or use an existing one for this tutorial. Once the document is open, you'll find yourself on the main workspace where all the action happens. The ribbon, which we're going to focus on, is located at the top of the window, just below the menu bar. It contains all the tabs and tools you need for creating and editing your document. Now, to manage the ribbon, the first thing you'll need to do is right-click anywhere within it. Right-clicking is a common method used in many applications to reveal more options. And here it gives us a few customization choices related to the ribbon. Once you've right-clicked, you should see a small contextual menu. In this menu, look for the option that says Collapse the Ribbon. Clicking on this will minimize the ribbon, essentially hiding it from view. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to maximize your workspace or if you find the ribbon distracting while you work on your document. Let's try this out. Go ahead and right-click on the ribbon and select Collapse the Ribbon. You'll notice that the ribbon disappears, leaving the tabs visible but freeing up extra space on your screen. This is a great way to give yourself a distraction-free environment, especially if you're focusing on writing or reading. But don't worry, while the ribbon might be hidden, it's not gone forever. To access the ribbon again, simply click on any tab at the top of your document. For example, click on the Home tab or any other tab that you might need. You'll see that this action temporarily brings the ribbon back into view, allowing you to find the tool or option you need. Once you've selected your desired options, the ribbon will automatically minimize again to keep your workspace uncluttered. That's it. You now know how to collapse and expand the ribbon in Microsoft Word at will. This feature can be incredibly handy for managing your workspace and concentrating on your work without any distractions. Exploring these kinds of features further will not only enhance your proficiency with Microsoft Word, but will also improve your overall productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy typing!